Howdy everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's that time again, our monthly deep dive into the ever-evolving, fast-moving world of proprietary trading. Now, we're nearly wrapped up 2025, if you can believe it, and November didn't disappoint. We saw a wave of very exciting innovations and strategic moves that clearly show how prop firms are doubling down on technology, trader empowerment, and smarter funding options. Now, if you're someone who's new to the prop trading scene, this might be the perfect way to get kind of caught up on who's really shaking things up in the industry. And if you're a seasoned trader, maybe hunting for your next opportunity, I'm sure you'll find plenty to spark your interest and help you see if you're working with the right prop trading firm. So in this video, we'll go over the latest updates from some of the top prop trading firms in the industry. Now, if you're a regular viewer, you'll know that we do a roundup of important updates across the entire industry every single month, so you guys can always be up to date with what's going on across the broader space. Now, in no real particular order, we're going to jump in, we're going to cover some key prop firm updates that occurred in the industry during November. All right, starting our November updates with a firm that just simply refuses to slow down. Funding Pips has kicked off the month with a trio of major updates that really show exactly why they continue to lead innovation in the prop trading space. So the first headline is the launch of their brand new copy trading feature, a major upgrade that brings more sophistication and efficiency to the trader workflow. So with this feature, traders can now automatically copy their own trades across multiple Funding Pips accounts, eliminating the hassle of juggling positions manually. For anyone managing several funded accounts at once, this is a huge quality of life improvement, I guess you could call it. It ensures consistent execution, removes the risk of missed entries, and allows traders to scale their strategy without doubling their workload. Funding Pips summed it up perfectly in their announcement. From now on, we allow copy trading to amplify your trading across your accounts. It's simple, it's smart, and it's exactly the kind of tool high-performing traders expect from a modern prop firm. Now, Funding Pips also announced a new addition to its ecosystem, Tradin, a trading brokerage positioned as a transparent, reliable, and trader-focused platform built to support both prop traders and independent traders alike. The firm describes Tradin as a launchpad to global markets, offering ultra-tight spreads, fast execution, and a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to market access. Further technical details are still on the way. The launch of Tradin signals a strategic expansion into the brokerage space, giving Funding Pips more control over the trading environment and elevating the experience for traders who want a clean, efficient, and well-supported infrastructure. And to round out a massive month, Funding Pips released its October payout statistics, and the numbers are quite remarkable. The firm distributed over $13 million in trader rewards, reinforcing its position as one of the most consistent and high payout prop firms in the industry. There was a bunch of standout performers. Rami, an incredible $45,200, and there was also Vladislav with $40,869 and plenty more. So these figures really highlight not only the earning potential available through Funding Pips, but also the firm's dedication to paying their traders swiftly, transparently, and at scale. So a really powerful combination of new tools, new infrastructure, massive payouts. November has been a defining month for Funding Pips, and we anticipate that to continue into the new year. Next on the list is a firm making one of the biggest strategic moves that we've seen all year. Funded Next has officially launched Funded Next CFDs in the United States. Now, this marks a major milestone in its global expansion and a massive moment for traders across the country. This launch isn't just a simple geographic addition, it's a calculated, high-impact entry into one of the most regulated, most competitive financial markets in the planet. And Funded Next didn't come quietly. They entered the US with a bold industry-first commitment, guaranteed performance reward within 24 hours, or get $1,000 extra. So this brand promise sends a clear message that they want to redefine trader expectations around trust, speed, and reliability. The firm understands that in today's prop firm landscape, fast and dependable payouts aren't just a bonus, that they are essential. By guaranteeing performance rewards within 24 hours, Funded Next is not just matching the competition, they're challenging the entire industry to raise the standard. Now, for traders in the US, that's a huge move. It brings Funded Next performance-based reward structure, flexible trading conditions, and rapid payout systems directly to one of the world's largest trading communities. And for the prop trading industry as a whole, it signals a shift towards stronger infrastructure, higher accountability, and a future where firms compete not just on funding, but on trader experience, speed, and transparency. So a major move from a major firm, and it really sets the tone for how aggressive prop firms are becoming in their pursuit of global reach. So some wonderful updates there from Funded next. Moving on to the 5%ers who have stepped into November with a fresh new identity and a fully redesigned website that signals a strong evolution in the firm's brand and their user experience. Many firms save major design updates for the start of a new year. The 5%ers decided not to wait. They announced the change with a confident message. It's not a new year, but it is a new us. We've had a glow up. So really great redesign that goes far beyond a cosmetic touch up. They've introduced a modernized visual identity, cleaner branding elements, and a more intuitive website layout built to support the growing global audience entering the prop trading space. As competition in the industry as a whole intensifies, branding and user experience have become crucial differentiators, and the 5%ers understand that traders expect professionalism, clarity, and ease of navigation from the firms they trust. So the 5%ers has positioned itself as a forward-thinking, polished, and mature player ready for its next phase of growth, a sleek design, stronger identity, and a more trader-friendly experience. So really solid upgrade from a well-established prop firm. Hola Prime, they continue their momentum this month with major updates across its trading programs, reinforcing its identity as a firm that listens, adapts, and evolves with its traders. Announcing the improvements under the message, we're not just evolving, we are evolving for you. They've made it clear that these changes are designed with long-term trader success at the center. At the core of its update is a restructured, more equitable funding framework. So the firm took a close look at its evaluation models and has enhanced them with fairer rules, smoother accessibility, and a more flexible path towards securing funded capital. For many traders, the barrier to entry is often the biggest obstacle, and Hola Prime is actively lowering that barrier with a system that rewards consistent skill rather than punishing minor missteps. A key part of this evolution is the revised pricing across their funding programs. So the update structuring introduces more cost-effective entry points, and this allows aspiring and intermediate traders alike to test their strategies without committing to high upfront fees. Hola Prime's broader mission being to make funded trading more inclusive, more transparent, and more aligned with the realities of modern trading is illustrated by these updates. So by rolling out these changes immediately, they show a proactive commitment to empowering traders in highly competitive markets. So Hola Prime reducing financial barriers and allowing more traders to come into the space, and that's a great update from them. FunderPro is next, and they're stepping into the spotlight this month with a milestone that speaks volumes about their growth and consistency. The firm has officially announced that October 2025 payouts totaled an impressive $2.07 million, marking one of their strongest months to date. And this isn't just a surface level statistic, it's a direct reflection of FunderPro's expanding trader base, the maturing ecosystem, and the firm's continued commitment to rewarding performance quickly, transparently, and at scale. In an industry where reliability is just as important as opportunity, consistent payouts of this magnitude help reinforce trader trust and signal that the firm is operating from a place of strength. They emphasize that the milestone is more than just distributing capital. It represents their broader mission, which is to empower skilled traders by giving them access to the right tools, the right funding, and a trading environment designed for clarity and long-term success. So a really strong confidence building update from a firm that continues to prove its stability month after month. Moving on to Fintokei, they continue to strengthen their position in the prop trading space with one of the most requested and impactful upgrades a firm can offer today, full TradingView integration. So a great update that gives traders the ability to complete their challenges directly through TradingView, opening the door to a smoother, more intuitive, and more advanced trader experience. So the integration was made possible through a collaboration with Purple Trading Seychelles, effectively bridging the gap between TradingView and C trader accounts, something many traders have been hoping to see for a long time. So with this upgrade, their clients can now take advantage of TradingView's world-class charting positions, the precision indicators, customizable tools, and obviously massive community of analysts and strategy creators. So for traders, it's a little bit more than just convenience. It means executing trades with platforms they already trust, accessing deeper technical insights, and interacting with an environment built for strategy development and continuous improvement. So it really puts Fintokei in line with the most technologically advanced prop firms in the industry, and it's a really great move coming into the new year. They're doing great things in the industry. Moving on to TX3 Funding, and they continue to double down on one of the most important values in the modern prop firm landscape, that is transparency. So this month, the firm released its payout transparency report, and that was for October 2025, giving traders a clear, data-driven look at the firm's operational performance and payout efficiency. Now, according to the report, they processed a total of nearly $800,000 in payouts throughout October, and that's a strong indicator of trader profitability and the firm's growing footprint within the industry. A total of 134 payout requests were approved, which demonstrates a healthy level of active funded traders who are not just participating in the challenges, but are actually succeeding. So for a firm that's positioned transparency and trader empowerment at the core of its mission, sharing this data publicly really reinforces trust and sets a standard many traders want to see replicated across the industry. So a clear, confident update from a firm that continues to build credibility through their openness and transparency. iFunds is another firm that's been pushing forward in recent times. Last month, they had a meaningful enhancement to its global payment infrastructure, one that directly improves the trader experience where it matters most, and that is payouts. The firm has officially introduced Rise as a new payout method, adding another flexible, internationally recognized option to support its rapidly growing global trader base. So integrating Rise into its payout lineup, it aimed for iFunds, it's going to minimize friction, shorten withdrawal times, and ensure that traders can access their profits through platforms that fit their local banking environment and personal preferences. So a great move that reflects the prop firm's ongoing mission to create a more inclusive and convenient ecosystem for traders around the world. So iFunds clearly positioning themselves at the front of that trend, being diverse, region-friendly payout options that gain a significant operational advantage, and I'm sure that's music to the ears of the traders in their ecosystem. Blueberry Funded, they made November memorable with updates that celebrate trader success both digitally and physically. So for the first, they've introduced brand new physical plaques, and this is a standout addition designed to bring recognition into the real world. So traders can now request customized premium plaques directly from the certificate section inside their dashboard. And this turns their funded achievements or key milestones into something tangible that they can display with pride. So really cool update there. Blueberry Funded also released its October payout report. That was an impressive total of $422,000 paid out to traders over the month. So a really solid figure that speaks to the firm's commitment to rewarding performance and supporting disciplined trading. For Blueberry Funded, payouts aren't just financial transactions, they're proof of opportunities and a functioning ecosystem where traders are equipped with the tools and the structure in order to thrive. So a really strong month of payouts and a unique new way to celebrate trader achievement. Blueberry Funded continues to lean into community, recognition, and long-term growth. Moving on to Best Prop for You, they've made a major statement in the last month with the launch of its brand new $1 million challenge, a rather bold and ambitious 5-phase evaluation designed to push traders to their limits and identify those with true long-term potential. So the structure of the challenge is what makes it compelling. So instead of a simple 1 or 2-phase evaluation, it introduces a 5-stage progression that mirrors the real development curve of a disciplined professional trader. The profit targets start manageable, 3% phase 1, gradually increasing to 11% by phase 5, but this allows traders to build confidence, refine their strategy, and prove consistency in increasingly demanding conditions, with the ultimate goal to create long-term successful traders. The result is a program that rewards discipline, patience, and skill, not just aggression or luck. The $1 million challenge is clearly designed for traders who want to grow into the role, not rush through it. So a big swing from Best Prop for You, and one that has already caught the attention of the trading community. Moving on to our last couple of updates for the month, and Pip Farm, they had a powerhouse month in November. They rolled out multiple features that have strengthened their identity in the space. So they've been steadily carving out their identity as one of the most innovative firms in the entire industry, and this month's updates push that reputation further. So first up are Shield and Armor. two brand new trader protection tools introduced under the banner Pip Farm New Power-Ups. So these features act as safety layers designed to help traders recover when markets turn volatile or unexpected moves threaten their funded accounts. In an environment where a single spike can undo days of disciplined trading, Shield and Armor give traders a vital second chance to regroup, adjust, and continue their progress. So Pip Farm also launched its Challenge Merge feature, an upgrade many traders have been asking for. So this allows traders to combine multiple funded accounts into a single unified account. And the best part is how seamless the integration is. Even a newly purchased account, including those with payout add-ons, can be merged. So if one account carries perks like weekly payouts, the merged account automatically inherits them. No extra fees, no complications, a streamlined way to scale efficiently without juggling multiple dashboards or trading setups. Now, along with these upgrades, Pip Farm introduced an innovative profit conversion into challenge voucher system. So with this feature, traders can convert profits into Pip Farm vouchers ranging from $50 to $500 per week to purchase new challenges. And the standout, these conversions come with a 100% profit share. So no split. Every dollar traders choose to reinvest goes right back into their next challenge. So it creates a powerful reinvestment loop for traders aiming to compound their opportunities. And to finish off the month that has been very busy for them, they unveiled multi-currency challenges, a highly practical update for its global community. So traders can now pay for and trade challenges directly in USD, Euro, or Great British Pound, completely free of conversion fees or any hidden Forex costs. So for traders who spent years losing a few dollars here and there to currency conversions, this update, I'm sure, will feel like lifting of a weight off your shoulders, much smoother, fairer, and far more convenient. So Pip Farm delivered a full suite of upgrades this month, and that's truly why they are one of the forefront prop firms in the space. And last but certainly not least, SFX Funded. They close out this month's slate of updates with a strong performance recap that highlights both trader success and that firm's growing stability. So they released their October payout statistics along with a lot of other firms, and the numbers paint a clear picture of consistent profitability. So according to the report, they distributed a total of over $115,000 in trader payouts throughout October. So while the firm operates on a smaller scale than some of the giants in the industry, this level of distribution shows that its trader base is active, they're disciplined, and capable of producing steady results. Across the month, they actually had 107 traders receive payouts, with the average payout landing at over $1,000. So a strong signal that many of their traders are consistently navigating the markets and getting payouts. So these statistics reflect a firm that is stable, that's transparent, and dedicated to supporting its traders as they work toward long-term growth. So for a prop firm, numbers like these are more than just a financial summary. They're a testament to their growth, their disciplined performance, and ultimately where they are heading in the industry, which we're confident is in the right direction. So that wraps up this November updates with a positive note. So guys, these have been the recent updates and changes from some of the leading prop trading firms across the industry throughout November. As we can see, the prop trading firm industry as a whole is constantly evolving, and high quality trading firms are always looking to adjust and improve their offerings to traders. Now, we'd be curious to know your perspective, so jump into the comments, give us your thoughts or your feedback, particularly if you enjoyed the changes that these prop trading firms have provided, which update caught your eye the most, or which one you have a different perspective on. We always love to see your input, especially if you are working directly with any of these prop firms. As always, we value your perspective. And don't forget as well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here and our other social media pages. But that's so you can always be up to date with what's going on in the prop trading firm space. We'll make sure you receive important news and updates, always about reputable and trustworthy prop firms that we also list and give you plenty of information on our website. And that wraps up this monthly update video. As always, wishing every single one of you successful and happy trading. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.